Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use Redmi mobile gesture navigation mode setting. Friends, you want to set gesture navigation mode, you want to use Redmi mobile gesture navigation mode setting. So friends, now let's see how to use navigation setting in Redmi mobile. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So friends, first of all we will turn on phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Friends, in your Redmi mobile, how to use navigation setting. First of all, scroll down here and open your phone home screen setting. After on home screen setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Home screen mode, classic mode, app driver mode you want to use, so you can set app driver mode and classic mode in your Redmi mobile. Okay friends, system navigation setting, you want to use navigation setting in your Redmi mobile, so you can use. If you tap here, so friends, you can see there are two options, gesture navigation setting and three button navigation you want to use, so you can use. So friends, if you tap here gesture setting and you don't know how to use gesture setting, so friends, you can see learn what gestures you can use for system navigation. Okay friends, so if you tap here, so friends, you can use your gesture setting, you can take trial. Right option friends, tap here how to back. Also friends, how to go to home screen. Friends, you can see swipe here, you can go to your home screen page. Open recent app, you want to check your recent app, so you can check your recent app. Friends, you can see how to back. Left side if you swipe here and right side if you swipe, so you can use back button. Left side and right side you can use back button. I am done. One more time again, you want to take trials, so you can take. And are you ready? I am done. How to back friends? Right side swipe, back button. Left side swipe, you can use back button. Friends, you want to go to your home screen, swipe here, you can go to your home screen page. Recent application friends, recent app you want to check, so you can check. And you want to close, so pause here, you can check your recent app and you can close. So like that friends, you can use home screen setting and you can use your navigation setting. So friends, you can see three button navigation will not show on your screen. Back button setting, you want to use right side swipe, left side swipe, you can use back button. Recent application you can hold here and you can check and you can close it. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.